Good evening, my name is Jason Garcia and I'm here tonight to talk to you about my own conversation at the restaurant. Moon Restaurant. Hello, what can I do for you? Customer, yes, give me a minute, please. Customer, I'm ready to order, please. Waitress, what would you like to order, sir? Now we are going to order time. Customer, I would like to have the special moon on the rocks, right, please. Waitress, would you like to have any moon pork on it? Customer, yes, please, with lots of barbecue sauce on it. Now we are going to the exotic moon drink and pie. Waitress, what would you like to drink? Customer, I would like to have a tequila on Jupiter, please. Okay. Waitress, would you like to have a dessert? Customer, yes. I'd have a strawberry worms, please. Thank you very much, and you have a good night.